Like, hey, okay, okay, getting paid out. Ooh, don't we look good together? There's a reason why they watch all night long, all night long. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video and new hair. Well, not new hair, but this is my natural state. So I'm in between wigs and braids and my natural hair, and I didn't feel like wearing a wig today. So here we are with my two buns. I am also back with a new look for today. I went for the classic black smoky eye. I am going to teach you how to do a smoky eye in literally 3 steps. You transition shade, a black base, and black eyeshadow. That's it. I'll see a lot of YouTubers, well, not a lot of YouTubers, but I see some YouTubers who use different methods of doing a classic black smoky eye. It doesn't take that much just for a classic black smoky. You just need to learn how to blend it right, have the base, have the transition shade, and the black shadow. That's it. That's it. And then you can complete your face however you want to. I went with the inner corners pink, of course, and highlighted pink with a nude lip. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Subscribe here, there, wherever you see fit on the screen. Press that button. I'll wait. I'm not gonna wait. Just subscribe, okay? I hope you guys like my video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
First step is to start off with prime eyes, of course. I am using the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. I am using the color Zulu, which is a warm toned brown. You want to make sure that you blend out your transition shades evenly, or it'll look like a patchy mess. So I'm going to go in a few times with the Zulu color, and just to make sure that it's blended properly.
Living lovely, just slowly. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna.
Now I am going in the color Adore in the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to go over the Zulu brown to give it a more reddish brown tone, but more red than brown. Guys, you want to make sure that the most important step is blending. Literally blend out everything that you put on your eye, or it will look crazy. You'll have harsh lines everywhere. It'll look very patchy, and it just will not look good at all. And the next step that we are going to do is use the eyeshadow base from NYX, which is a black eyeshadow base. You can use a jumbo eye pencil, you can use black eyeliner, you can use gel liner. It just has to be black. You want to use a flat concealer synthetic brush to make it easier to put on your eye. And you only want to put it on the lid of your eye. Do not put it over top of your transition shade, or it will blend out into the transition shade and it won't look as seamless and as a gradient effect to your eye. Because the base is so thick, you want to use a dense fluffy brush to blend everything out seamlessly, because if you use like a regular like fluffy brush, it won't do the job as best as the dense fluffy brush, because it'll drag out all of that cream. This is just personal preference. I put NYX glitter glue on top of my eyeshadow base before I put my eyeshadow on because I have hooded eyes. I intend to crease up and my eyeshadow spread, so I have to use an extra sticky primer to use on top of my eyeshadow so that it'll stick on there and it won't go anywhere. You don't have to do this step. This is just my personal preference because I have hooded eyes. Whoever has hooded eyes, you can use this step if you want to, but you definitely want to wait a few seconds before you put on the eyeshadow so that it's sticky enough to stay on and it won't go anywhere. But just make sure you pack on that shadow as much as possible because you're going to blend it all out afterwards anyway. And then you are going to blend, 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 blend. I promise this is the most important step out of all 3 steps. Just blend as much as you can. Make sure nothing is harsh lined or patchy or anything like that. Now I am just adding some mascara on my lashes for my falsies that I'll be using. These lashes are from my friend Phierce. She has her own line of lashes. These are in the style Michelle. They are so comfortable and so lightweight. She has 3 styles. She has Michelle, Marie, and then Phierce. Michelle ones are the most natural ones. They are not 3D, but the Marie and the Phierce one are. They are cruelty free and you can use them up to 28 wears. All of her stuff will be in my description box below. So I'm just gonna stop babbling. I'm just gonna let you watch the rest of this video, and I hope you guys like and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye.
Living lovely, just slowly. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with. Somebody, no one do I run me. Living lovely, just slowly. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with. nobody, no one do I run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Living lovely. Just slowly. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with. Living lovely, just slowly. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with. I wanna be with